Good afternoon, students. Now, once again, welcome back. We are going to continue the chapter 2nd in Economics for class 10th B, sector of the Indian economy. First of all, here, why there is a development of the service sector in India? Yes, basically, if there is a development of the service sector in India, then India become a developed country. The some reasons it is the beneficial for the peoples like hospital, educational institution, post office, police, telegraph, telephones. Now, in the field of the development of the agricultural sector and industrial sector. For an example, transport and trade help in the industrial and agricultural sector. For raw materials, raw material in the field of the, and after that this raw material supplied by the transport through the industrial sector. That is means transport is improved. And how the transport is improved? By the making or construction of the good roads. More and more services provided through hotels, tourism, shipping, private schools, private hospitals. Large number of the better employment opportunities can be increased. That is the reason to be development of the industrial sector. Basically, India is the country. It is not like the USA, Japan, UK, because we are not using our infrastructure perfectly. We are interdependent of the other nation. We need to be make the some product in India, and whatever the infrastructure in India, we need to be use it and better use. Infrastructure means foundation which can be taken as a basic of all activities in the economic, whether it is related agriculture or industry or even in trade. It is defined as the physical framework of facilities through which goods and services are provided to the public. Without infrastructure, there is no development. And for an example, some of the materials or raw materials is far away. For similarly, power is also need in most of the economic activities. Power means in here electricity. That without electricity we cannot do without the produce less than the other things. For an example, industries. Good infrastructure decrease the risk of spreading epidemics and control the disease when it is spread. Some of the countries like here birds, flu, SARS, etc. So these are affected prominently and help our people because we had required infrastructural facility and we have the medicines. Increasing importance of the tertiary sector in the production in India. Generally, in the tertiary sector, India is decreasing now. What are the reason? Why the services are decreased in India? Generally, a developing country need basic services like education, health, communication, transport, bank, insurance, administrative offices. But development country or development of primary and secondary sector also necessary. The development of services such as transport, trade, storage, finance, with the risk in the level of income and standard of living of the peoples. Now here I show you some of the importance of industrial classification of workers from 1970 to 73 to 9 and 10 in percent. Actually, agriculture sector peoples involving 74% peoples are involved, but in 2009-10 53.2%. It means others peoples are involved in the tertiary or secondary sector. Now you have to be seen primary sector, that is showing the 74.4 and 72.5 in 1977 to 78, and last 2009 to 10 53.8%. The peoples are involving in this sector and in reference of agriculture and mining and quarrying. Secondary sector, the peoples are involved 10.8% and 2009 20.9% only. And here tertiary sector, of course, 14.8 and 25.3%. So basically we need to be grow the tertiary and the secondary sector. Here in secondary sector, you know that number of the things are producing and manufacturing, like tractor and other equipment which are beneficial for the agriculture sector, like fertilizer, uh, tractors, thresher. These are the things are there. Unemployment, basically in India, reason for the unemployment. What are the measures that can be taken to remove disguise unemployment in agriculture sector? Basically, yes, we need the farmer need they get the easily loans. Number of the banks are open for the farmers in rural area, agriculture area, where the peoples are unemployed. Second thing is that new construction of dams, canals can be constructed for more and more employment in agricultural sector. Transportation and shortage facilities must be improved. Health and services sectors are be increase in the village area. Now some importance technology should be increased in the rural area to create some employment opportunities. For an example, park, tourism, regional craft industry or information technology should be increased. How to create more and more employment? Creating a more employment dependable on the service sector, and it means you have to be need grow the agricultural sector primary activities, more and more production, but generally more production only done by the good fertilizer, good transport system, like roads are very good, industries are very good, and farmers get the modern means of irrigation, and the farmer need the modern equipment. They need the tractors, they need the good high varieties of seeds, they need the water. Generally, yes, production is rich now, and when the production is rich, now there is of course development of the industries, and industries development, yeah, people get the employment. Services sectors are increased, like here better road, power supply, countrywide communication system promote expansion of trade within the country as well as the outside of the country. Employment can be increased. Now every sector has potential for increasing the employment. For an example, Sampoorn Gramin Rozgar Yojana, National Food for Work program. No peoples in India hungry. These are the things which government increase and given the employment to the peoples of the India generally. Now these are the things like NDP, NSSO and the national floor level minimum things are there, which means increase the income of the urban people like Narega.